The Lost Colors Kingdom. Once upon a magical time, in a realm beyond the clouds, there existed a kingdom where colors thrived in harmony. Each color had its own kingdom, and together, they formed the enchanting land of colors. Reds, blues, greens, yellows, and more, each with its unique charm and character, lived joyfully in their vibrant villages. One fateful day, a mysterious event unfolded. The magnificent rainbow bridge, which connected all the color kingdoms, shattered into countless pieces. The colors, once neatly organized, became entangled in a kaleidoscopic dance. Reds found themselves intertwined with blues. Greens with yellows. The order of the kingdom was in chaos. In this time of uncertainty, a tiny hero emerged, Rainbow Whisperer. Unlike any other, Rainbow Whisperer possessed the ability to communicate with colors and understand their true essence. With a heart full of courage, Rainbow Whisperer set out on a quest to restore harmony to the land of colors. The journey began in the Red Valley, where the once passionate Reds were now feeling blue. Rainbow Whisperer approached them with soothing words and a gentle breeze, unraveling the intertwining colors. The Reds, grateful and inspired, reclaimed their lively hue. Next, the adventure led to the Azure Peaks, where the blues had lost their calm. Rainbow Whisperer, with a melody of encouragement, dispersed the confusion, and the blues rediscovered their serene shades. The quest continued through the Emerald Forest, the Amber Fields, and every corner of the Color Kingdom. With each encounter, Rainbow Whisperer unveiled the true spirit of the colors, fostering understanding and unity. As the journey unfolded, a magical phenomenon occurred. The fragments of the shattered rainbow bridge began to resonate with the restored colors. Slowly but surely, the bridge began to reconstruct itself, forming an even more magnificent and resilient connection between the color kingdoms. At last, with the combined efforts of the colors and the guidance of Rainbow Whisperer, the land of colors was restored to its former glory. The rainbow bridge gleamed in the sky, stronger and more vibrant than ever before. And so, the colors lived harmoniously ever after, appreciating the beauty of their diversity and the strengths found in unity. The tale of the Lost Colors Kingdom became a cherished legend, a reminder that even in the face of chaos, understanding and cooperation can weave a tapestry of enchantment and wonder. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you, colors.